Today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed calamari baked in the oven. And so what you're going to need is some calamari tubes. I only have 3 here, but they're quite large. And this has been soaking in a mixture of lemon juice, garlic and green chilies overnight, so that the lemon juice can do its magic on the calamari and start making it quite tender. I had 2 handfuls of spinach that I put in the microwave for 2 minutes, so it's wilted nicely, so it's just a little bit now. That I've chopped up as well. And I have got some roasted pine nuts. I will probably put in about half this little bag. And what else do I have? I've got some cooked shrimp, which I will be putting into the part of the filling, and an egg. I'm going to put in about 1/4 teaspoon salt. I'm going to put in 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, probably 1/2 teaspoon of lemon and black pepper, and I'll put in a teaspoon of garlic and herb, and just a 1/4 teaspoon of fennel. That's got quite a strong flavor, and a teaspoon of oregano. I've got half a jar left of pasta sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to top that up with some nice white wine from South African white wine, and that will be the sauce that I'll be pouring on the top. I'm going to bake it in this little oven dish here, and I'm going to cover that with tin foil, and I've put the oven onto 180 degrees Celsius, which I think is about 375 Fahrenheit, and then I'll be baking it in the oven for about half an hour, 30 minutes. And because I had this half a pack of cream cheese, I'm going to add half a pack of cream cheese into that as well, which will into the stuffing, which will help bind it as well. To that I'm going to add half a finely chopped onion, and I've got a small red chili that I've chopped up, removed the seeds, and I have got a few leaves of coriander. So I've put in all those spices and the cream cheese. I'm about to add in the onion and the red chilies and the chopped up cilantro leaves, coriander leaves, cilantro leaves. Added in the egg. Now I'm going to put in the pine nuts and the shrimp. I've drizzled a little olive oil in the bottom of the oven dish. Right, so I've put in about half a cup of shrimp and the pine nuts, and now I'm going to mix this concoction together. So here I have mixed it together, and I think it's got quite a nice consistency to go inside these squid tubes or calamari tubes. I'm now going to pour the white wine into my half a jar of pasta sauce and mix that together. Added in the wine, so I can just give it a good shake so it's all mixed together. Going to remove the calamari tubes, squid tubes, from this lemon juice and get all the liquid out. Right, time to stuff the calamari tubes. I'm not making a whole lot, as you can see, because I do live alone, and so there's only so much I can eat. You don't want to overfill the calamari because it will shrink while it is cooking. So about 3/4 full, I reckon. So you're going to place that then in your oven dish. So really I had just enough to stuff 3 of these calamari tubes. So I've got them all in the oven dish, and I'm now going to put in the tomato pasta sauce with the white wine. There it is in the oven-proof dish, ready now for me to put the tinfoil on the top. And then this is going to go in the oven, as I said, for 30 minutes. I've just taken it out of the oven. Let's have a look to see what it looks like. Okay, cool. You can smell the wine. So now I am going to dish it up. And there you have it. Delicious stuffed calamari. And you can have it with pasta if you want. Let's have a look and see. I must say, when I was slicing the calamari tubes with a knife, it just went through like butter. It is so tender. And if you can like and comment and subscribe to my channel, that will be amazing. You'll be helping a very old lady grow her little YouTube channel. So take care, and I'll see you on my next adventure.